kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to click on this video. And by the time you reach the end of this video, if you enjoyed the content, please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button. And if you're returning, welcome back. We're so happy to have you because y'all know we cannot do this without you all. So as you guys can see, we are in slow motion and we're scrolling over all of these items. And that's because I wanted to bring you guys along while I make these labor and delivery nurse thank you baskets, okay? I am doing this for my daughter Haley. For you guys that knows that she's expecting, and I wanted to make sure that we show our appreciation with the nurses because I know sometimes they have bad days, they have hard days, and they go through things. So I wanted them to know that we are very appreciative of the extra steps, the extra miles that they are taking to ensure that we have a healthy mom and a happy baby. So what I have here is I have different types of snacks here. Welch's, we have Weight Watcher snacks, and we have hand sanitizer, we have a hair clamp, we have lip gloss here, we also have some kettle corn, we have Kleenex. So I tried to cover all of the areas. We also have energy drinks for them as well too. We also have some prime flavored water. We have the Toast Crunch snacks as well. And like I said, I tried to cover all the bases as far as things I thought that, they may need, because some of them, they actually do overtime. So they work their shift, then another shift as well too. And I did grab some Starbucks coffees as well to keep them up and bouncing and doing what they're supposed to do. So you guys, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start to prepare the baskets. I'm actually going to complete about 6 of them, because I don't want to leave anyone out. So I'm going to do a total of 6. And if I have to bring 1 or 2 back home, that is fine. But also too, I have pens and I have little notebooks as well too if they want to jot down some notes. And then these are the clear baskets that I'm going to be utilizing to put everything in. So I do have like tissue paper, I have shredded paper, I have ribbon, and all of the good stuff to try and make these baskets as beautiful as I possibly can. And also I'm going to do one for Haley's doctor as well too. So you guys, without further ado, don't forget, if you don't mind, to give this video a big thumbs up. And also too, I would love to hear your comments down below. And hopefully what I have created here, if you are expecting, or if you have a daughter or someone that's close to you, you can share this video with them to give them an idea, to show their appreciation and thank the nurses and doctors for all of their hard work. So let's go ahead and get into this video. And I thank and appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in on this video today. Start off with the clear baskets, and I did get these clear baskets from Pop Shelf. I got them from Pop Shelf, and I think they came 2 in a pack. And I thought these would be really good because they were very sturdy, because I knew I was going to be putting drinks inside of them. So I wanted to make sure that I had a sturdy basket. And this is some pretty pink tissue paper that I decided to get because you guys know, well, those of you who do know, we are going to be having a little girl. So I kind of wanted to, make sure that I represented the baskets with pink tissue paper and also the crinkly paper as well too. So that's what you see me doing here, trying to get that part together. And I did this just to give it a little bit of height, not too much of height. And you'll see why I say too much of height. But I do have two colors of the pink shredded paper. I have the light pink and then I have the dark pink as well too. And I'm kind of just going to mix them together just to give it a little bit of pop inside the basket, because I just want it to look cute and I want it to look very meaningful. And this tissue paper, well, this crinkle paper here, I picked it up from the Dollar Tree, but the lighter pink paper, I think I ordered it online from Amazon because I needed it for something. I already had it. So yeah, I got that from the Amazon store. So now that I have my tissue paper and my crinkly paper in here, I'm going to go ahead and start stuffing the baskets with the drinks and probably the taller items. So you see I have some Prime there. I also have some Starbucks, and then we have the Celsius energy drink, and I did have those in 2 different flavors. So basically I'm just moving everything around, and I'm sure I'm not going to set each basket up the same way, because as y'all can see, the popcorn or the kettle corn back there, it's a tall bag, so actually I should have put it in first, but y'all will see I will catch it and realize that, hey, I need to go ahead and put those in there, because if I put those in the front, then it's going to cover everything behind it. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and add them, but I tried to have some healthy items in there, as well as some a few little snacks that they like, to give them the sweetness, but not too much sugar, because y'all know you can have too much sugar, then you're gonna be too wired. So I just gave them a little bit of everything in the basket. Thank you guys so much for tuning in on today. As you can see, I'm working on the second or third basket here. I'm creating the bow that I'm going to place on the front of it. And you guys, this basket doesn't have to be made just for labor and delivery nurses. You can gift someone with a basket, if they come home out of the hospital, if you want to give someone a basket for their birthday, anniversary, whatever the case may be, you can create any type of basket and put, anything in there. If this person is special to you and the things that they like, you can put all those things in a basket. A basket really is meaningful and it puts smiles on people's faces. And yeah, you guys, and hopefully you guys can take away from this video and what I have created here. And again, thank you all so much. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And the next clip, you're going to see the full basket up front. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. guys, like I said, we're having a girl, so that's why you see the pink and white striped bow. And then I used a thank you card. We wrote like a little special message in the inside of the card, and so we placed those on each basket, and they are ready to go. And just to let you guys know, we have a little girl. She is here. She is beautiful. God did his big thing. She is healthy, beautiful, and blessed, and we thank God for it. And we did hand out the baskets, and everyone was so thankful and so grateful. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See you in the next.
We at home with Lisa.